Hello! Today I am in a lovely, cozy little village in Tuscany, in the province of Siena, in the Chianti area. And I'm going to show you this house, right in the middle of the village. It has 4 floors, a cellar plus 1, 2, 3 more. And it's in this little street, right in the middle of the village. Okay, this is the house. It has been completely restored, and I'll show you inside. It's about 180 square meters large. There is an entrance hall here. We have a kitchen here, as you can see, with an oven, cooker. There is a fridge, and then we can, from here, there also is a bathroom with a shower, very nicely done with travertine, as everything is made out of travertine in this village. It's the village of Rapolano. You can see the floors are made of travertine. Everything is all built on travertine. It's like some kind of marble. And it's also famous for its thermal baths, hot springs. Okay, I'll take you down to the ground floor, which is like a cellar, but you see there's a fireplace. You could use it as an extra study or an extra bedroom, something, whatever you like. It's a beautiful old building with the old beams, some small arches. There is a large window here, as you can see under the stairs, very specific. Also, this is travertine again. And from here you can have a look onto the piazza. Okay. Here are the utilities, a technical room, heating system, hot water, a laundry system, and a salt for to take the, how do you say this, water sweetener. Okay, here is a small niche with a window, again onto the piazza over there. And on this side is the little street where we came into. Okay, so you can hear some people chatting in the street. It's a cozy little village, quiet, but there are a few people still living here. And of course now the church bells start to ring, so that's also very typical of a village. Here is the living room, as you can see, with another fireplace. Here you have the views. That's the church over there. So this is the sitting room, spacious, with beautiful lights. There's a small sitting area here as well, high chairs and a high table. And here we go up to the last floor, where the bedroom is, with another bathroom. Okay, so the bedroom is really nice. Very spacious, lots of light, large windows. As you can see, there are, hello, there are some cupboards here for storage. Okay, all kinds of things here. So you have enough space for storage in this house. It's a very practical house, very well restored, well maintained. Here is the bathroom, a beautiful large bathroom with a nice sink, and also a round bathtub. And there is a light on the roof as well. So it's a very nice and quiet place inside a village. No problems with gardening. You can just close the door and leave. It's would be perfect also for renting out. There are people in the village who could help you with that. Then you are near the thermal baths, of course. There are 2 of them here in the village with hot water springs. There are restaurants, there are bars here. There you are at about half an hour from Siena, half an hour from Montepulciano. You're not far from Lago Trasimeno in Tuscany. Cortona, of course, is very nearby in Tuscany. And Lago Trasimeno, of course, is in Umbria, and but also part of it is in Tuscany. And here we go down again to the ground floor with the bathroom and the kitchen with a nice sitting area. Okay, so if you want more information, go to our website at www.lecasalidori.com.